Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe of remedy that will help keep your body healthy and in good shape. Take all these ingredients. 50-gram ginger. Peel and cut them into pieces. Ginger is used in the treatment of rheumatism. Ginger helps the body fight viruses. Take 1 orange, squeeze the juice of orange. Orange contains vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, supports the health of bones. Take 1 lemon, squeeze the juice of lemon. Lemon is also rich in vitamin C. Lemon has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. 1 tablespoon turmeric. Turmeric helps with inflammation and joint pain. 200 milliliter water. Beat in a blender. Now strain all the mixture, drink. 15 to 20 milliliter on every morning on an empty stomach. It will help to keep your body healthy and super fit. You can also store this in fridge for up to 2 weeks. Try this remedy and thanks me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further informative videos.